learners, today we are going to start with chapter 10, that is heavenly bodies. So in this chapter we will study about the different heavenly bodies like the earth, sun, moon and star. Right? ये क्या है? सारी heavenly bodies है. Let's talk about earth. It is a planet and word planet means vendor. The earth is the part of solar system which have 7 other planets. जैसे Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune and Uranus. All these planets revolve around a definite path जिसको हम orbit कहते हैं, and the earth is the only planet जहाँ पे life possible है. More than 2/3 of the earth and rest is land. It looks like bright blue ball from the space. और क्यों दिखते हैं? क्योंकि यहाँ पे पानी प्रेजेंट है. So it's sometimes called blue planet. It is the 5th largest planet and it is 150 kilometer away from the sun. Right? So we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. Now shape of the earth. Earth की shape कैसे orange है? In ancient times, people believe that the earth is flat. But with the passage of time, we have enough proofs to believe that earth is fair. It is believed that 500 years ago, some European sailors say they started their journey from some of the point of the earth. They reached the point from where they started. ये क्या शो करता है कि अर्थ राउंड है? If you observe a ship sailing in the sea, you will discover that the lower portion of the ship is disappear. Similarly, when you see a distant ship coming towards you, उसका जो टिप होता है ना वो विजिबल होता है, फिर धीरे धीरे आप देखोगे कि वो गायब हो जाता है. Now movements of the अर्थ दो तरीके के मूवमेंट करता है. One is rotation and another is revolution. Rotation means जो अर्थ है वो अपने एक्सेस पे रोटेट करता है. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Right? इसमें क्या होता है? चेंजेस होता है डे और नाइट में. Right? 24 hours होते हैं. Then we have revolution, वो पार्ट ऑफ द सन जो फेस कर रहा है सन को, वो पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ जो आपके सन को फेस कर रहा है वहां पे डे, और अदर पार्ट जो इनविजिबल है वहां पे नाइट होता है. एंड इट टेक्स 365 1/4 days टू कंप्लीट वन रेवोल्यूशन. और इससे क्या होता है? आपके सीजन में चेंज होता है, और जो पोर्शन फेस कर रहा है सन को वो हॉटर होगा एंड अदर कंप्लीटली जो अवे होगा वो ठंडा होगा. नाउ सन, इट्स अ बिग स्टार and it is like a big ball of fire and heat. It has its own light, it reflects, and the sun does not move. It is very hot. Why? Because gas is burning inside. Gas burn कर रही है. The sun produces heat and energy. Heat and light energy reaches us in the form of sun rays. Plants अपना food बनाते हैं किसके presence में? Sunlight के. This heat keeps the earth warm enough for the human beings to grow. The sun is the life giver to all living beings. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. And moves in its orbit. It does not have light of its own. The light which we see, वो किसके reflection होती है? Sunlight ही होती है. Right? The moon is much smaller than the earth. It takes about 28 days to complete one round of the earth. और same time वो revolve करता है अपनी axis पे. Right? ये आपके different types of moon है. This is new moon, waxing moon, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter and waning crescent. From the earth, we only see those parts of the moon that are facing at that time. Due to changes in the position of the both earth and the moon, we see different types of moon every day. और इनको ही क्या बोला जाता है? Different phases of moon. From the first 14 days, the lighted part goes on increasing. This is called waxing of the moon. After that, we see full moon. जिसे हम पूर्णिमा कहते हैं. After that, the moon started waning or lighted part goes on decreasing. They will see no moon at all. इसको हम अमावस्या कहते हैं. Then star, these are the ball of hot burning gases. The sun is also a star. The stars are fixed in one place. Most of the stars होते हैं वो bigger होते हैं sun. The star have light of their own. The sun is the brightest star. That is why we don't see other star during the day. We can see the star twinkling at night. They appear very small because why? क्योंकि वो हमसे बहुत दूर है. And stars are formed in a particular shape in the sky. और जो group of star जो एक particular pattern बना रहे हैं उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Constellation. कितने known constellation है? 88. We have Orion, Ursa Major और Scorpion. Group of 7 star को क्या बोला जाता है? सप्तऋषि और Great Bear. We have ध्रुव तारा, pole star जो सबसे brightest star है. आपको north direction में देखनी होगी. So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will do the exercise. The sun is a big ball of fire and gases. The sun, moon, star and other planets, what we call them? Heavenly bodies. There are dash planets in the solar system. कितने हैं? 8 है. and there are total 18 known constellation. पोल स्टार आपको कहाँ देखने को मिलता है? नॉर्थ. नाउ fill in the blanks. The earth moves on its axis. The sun produces heat and light. The dash is not stationary. The group of 7 stars is called Saptarishi. The word planet means light या venturer, light. Saptarishi Dhruv is also called Great Bear. Dhruv Tara. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth. Moon क्या है? Natural satellite है. Now the star have or do not have light on their own. They have light on. The earth is also called blue planet. Now true false. The earth is the only planet which have life. It's true. The earth is a planet. It's true. The sun is a big star. It's true. The moon has its own light. False. अपनी light नहीं होती है. The stars are fixed at one place. False. Now match the following. Earth planet है. Rotation 24 hours. Revolution 361 by 4 days. Moon natural satellite है. Group of star को क्या कहते हैं? Constellation. Now you have to define Earth, Sun, rotation of the Earth, and the revolution. Earth is the only planet where life is possible. Sun is a hot ball of fire. Rotation, when the Earth rotates on its axis, is called rotation. Revolution, when the Earth rotates on the path. Now answer the following question. What is solar system? आपको बताना है solar system क्या है और different planets बताने. 8 planets हैं. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Why is Earth called blue planet? Because पे ज्यादा पानी है. How do we know that Earth is round? कैसे? Geographer ने बताया है. Explain the Earth rotation and what is sun और क्यों important है हमारे लिए, that you have to explain in this question. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.